In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a link to a Microsoft Loop page. Whether you want to drop it into a chat, email, or a Teams message, there are two quick ways to grab a shareable link, and I'll walk you through both so you can choose whichever is faster for you. First, let's copy the link from inside the page itself. Start by opening the Loop page you want to share. At the top right corner of the page, look for the Share button. Depending on your screen size, it might appear as the word Share, or as an icon, but it's in that upper right area. Click Share, then choose Page Link. Sometimes it simply appears as Copy Link. As soon as you click it, the link is copied to your clipboard. You won't see a big pop-up, but you can confirm it worked by pasting. Just press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac into any place you'd like, your chat app, an email, Teams, or a document. That's it. This option is great when you're already inside the page and want to share on the spot. Now here's the second option, which is handy when you're browsing your workspace. In the Loop Workspace sidebar, hover your mouse over the title of the page you want. When you hover, you'll see three dots appear next to the page name. Click those three dots to open the menu, then select Share Page Link. The link is immediately copied to your clipboard. From there, paste it with Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac, just like before. This approach is perfect if you don't need to open the page first or you're sharing several links in a row from the sidebar. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you can't see the Share button inside a page, try widening the window or checking the top right area for a small icon. It's easy to overlook on smaller screens. If the menu wording looks slightly different, that's normal. Microsoft occasionally updates labels, but Page Link and Copy Link do the same thing here. And if you paste the link and it looks long, don't worry. Most apps will shorten how it appears and still take people to the right Loop page. That's all there is to it. Use the in-page Share button when you're already working in the page, or the sidebar option when you're organizing and sharing from your workspace. Happy sharing!